Hi, and welcome back to Meticulous Business Plans. Today, we will talk about some of the government initiatives to promote startups in our country. In the last few years, the Government of India has launched over 50 plus startup programs, each of which is directed towards boosting the Indian startup ecosystem and supporting entrepreneurship in the country. So, let's learn about some of these in detail. First, Startup India. With the help of the Startup India initiative, the Government of India promotes and assists entrepreneurship by mentoring, nurturing, and facilitating startups throughout their life cycle. Launched in 2016, the scheme has successfully provided a great start to a number of potential startups in the country. The initiative has provisions for various methods to learn and know more about startup growth, including research parks, incubators, and startup centers, among others. Apart from this, the scheme has also created a fund of funds which helps startups in gaining access to funding. The primary motive of this is to build an environment in which startups can innovate and evolve without any obstacles. Next, Atal Innovation Mission AIM. This is a scheme of Government of India which has the objective of promoting the culture of innovation and entrepreneurship, and it serves as a platform for the promotion of world-class innovation hubs, grand challenges, startup businesses, and other self-employment activities, particularly in technology-driven areas. To inculcate innovation and creativity in the children at the school level, the government has also launched Atal Tinkering Labs across India. Next, Make in India. The most popular initiative, which is in trend also due to the current situations, was launched in September 2014. The initiative is aimed at transforming India into a global manufacturing hub and contains a raft of proposals designed to attract investments in both local and foreign companies in various fields. The Make in India initiative has made sure to replace the outdated and obsolete frameworks with the latest and user friendly methods. This has prompted recharged trust in India's abilities among potential accomplices abroad, a business group inside the nation, and residents on the loose. Next, Digital India. To modernize the economy of our country and to make all the government services to be accessible electronically, the government launched the Digital India initiative. The primary purpose of this is to build India as a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy with universal access to goods and services. Then, supporting to training and employment program for women, STEP. As the name clearly suggests, this scheme is basically women oriented. STEP was introduced by Government of India's Ministry of Women and Child Development. The primary purpose of the scheme is to educate and train women who do not have access to formal skill education, particularly targeting the rural sector. Next, trade-related entrepreneurship assistance and development. The Government of India launched this program to acknowledge the problems related to the access to credit that underprivileged women face in India. The program provides credit to interested women with the help of non-governmental organizations, that is NGOs. The women can receive the support of registered NGOs in both accessing loan facilities and receive counseling and training opportunities to initiate the proposed undertakings. Then, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has started the program PMKVY, that is Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, which aims to train the youngsters in order to inculcate industrial skills in them to enhance opportunities for livelihood creation and employability. Training and assessment fees are completely financed by the government under this scheme. Now, these were only a few from the large list of initiatives that we focused on. All of these initiatives are meant to focus on different sectors of the country and boost Indian economy as a whole. In case you are planning to start a business related to any of the sectors, always research what the government has to offer and how the economy can be benefited. For more information about startup, new business ideas, scaling or investments, please visit our website meticulousbplans.com. Also, if you find this video useful, do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more interesting information.